All right. So basically, the plan for today is to act like yesterday never happened. Um, that's pretty much the plan. Uh, I didn't get anything figured out yesterday. It was hard. I felt bad, but after about 24 hours of like just thinking, contemplating what I'm gonna do with the app and stuff. Uh, hey, what's up, Moody? What's up? What's up? But uh, I'm I'm gonna make this an Angular app. I'm gonna make this an Angular. I'm gonna learn Angular because I was looking at more of my portfolio, and all of it is built in React. It's all React and Firebase. So I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm still gonna use Firebase. I'm gonna be using learning cloud functions. But what I'm gonna be doing is learning that and Angular with this project. So I think it's gonna have a good shelf life, a good like lasting power because I'm gonna be using this app daily. Hopefully others will be using this app daily because like it's a Bible app. So yeah. I've also thought about it. I have the ability to get specific verses, but if I pick a random verse every day, that can get confusing. Not confusing, but there's certain verses that like if you just let it stand alone. Oh, well, really? Okay. I just wanted to build my faith. I just wanted to personally build my faith, and I figured I might as well use my skill of software to do that. Um, it'll it'll incentivize me to build it consistently, to come back to it consistently, and stuff like that. So yeah, and I think it's about time. I think it's about time. So yeah, and in me building this, I don't want to like. I said it before, but I'll say it again. I don't want to push any religion on anybody that may be watching or anything, but really it's twofold. One, I personally want to build my faith, and I also want to build on my programming skills. So it's a two-parter. It's a two-parter. So and hopefully it'll be of service to someone else. Um. So yeah. And in that, I was looking at different APIs, and I don't know which version of the Bible I'm going to use. Either it's going to be like King James version, like American version, like the new like NIV or whatever. I don't know which version of the app I'm going to or which version of the Bible I'm going to use. So there's that. And that has a big part on what I'm going to do regarding like verse of the day type stuff because like I said, there's certain scriptures and verses that if they stood alone, you wouldn't be able to like take anything from it because it's just like a random sentence. But I thought about it and I could take the entire chapter and present it like that and have that be like verse of the day. I may do that. So, I don't know. I would like it to be short, sweet, and like concise, like take 29 through 32, but it's hard to tell which one is which. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I can do that. With this API that I found this morning, I would be able to do that. But still, the verse would be the verse, right? Like it's a different version, but the verse will be the verse. So I assume. So that makes me think like I may just take the entire chapter just to like make it make more sense. Because, for example, hold on, let me show what I'm looking at right now. For example, this right here. This is the entire chapter 2 of the book of James. Um I could take a random verse out of here. Well, hold up. Give me a second. Let me just this one. How would I be able to like decipher or take anything away from this being someone that doesn't have context of like what the entire Bible is? Oh, wait, y'all can't see it. Hold up. Wait, hold up. Give me a second. There we go. Yeah. Like, the verse is always a verse. However, the translation sometimes can change how we interpret the verse. Nah, it was me. Just unprofessional. This is me being. But, say if I took like verse 6 of chapter 2 and just spit that out as verse of the day. For someone that doesn't know off the top of my head like verses of the Bible, say for example, like if someone's coming to my app and they want to learn about the Bible, if I just took this one verse and had like AI summarize what the meaning of it was, it wouldn't hit home. But I could take the entire chapter, but then I want it to be too lengthy. So I'm just for like context, not context, but like for it to be for it to make sense, I would have to take the entire chapter. I would have to. Because then I get the full scope of what someone's talking, or what the verse is talking about. I think you could do chapters. Oh, look at Bible commentaries for reference. The whole purpose of them is verse by verse explanation. Uh-oh, wait a second. Give me a second. It's doing that thing on YouTube. My thing is, I don't know if any Bible commentary, like API stuff that I can like pull from on a daily basis. Commentary API. Let's see. Let's see what this does. Let's see what this says. They have passages. Nah. Then it gets into like the technical stuff. But basically, this is like a good API to use, and I think I already have. Yeah, this is what I already have the key for. Hold up, this YouTube stuff. while for a second. It may pop up on the screen. Just sermons of preachers who preached on that particular. To the point of, what if I had links to the sermons of preachers? I'm scared of being sued. It may sound crazy, like, I'm scared of being sued for like using someone else's like content and like using it for my own personal use, even though I'm not gonna be monetizing off of it. Like, hold on, I'm trying to fix YouTube right now because this chat isn't popping up on the screen. But I'm scared of that, and that would also have me jump through another hoop of finding, like, querying YouTube talking about a specific verse. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't think, like, let me go. Really? Huh. Hold on, I'm trying to fix it. Hold up, Alexis, hold up. See, I don't like the fact of, never mind. I'm not gonna put my personal stuff into this, but I don't like the fact of, like, never mind. We've already talked about it. This just is not working. Oh well. Through the Bible, okay. In dozens of languages. Yeah. The thing is, I can take this so many ways. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I've never had this problem before with YouTube doing this, but oh well. I'm stuck between two options though. This is true, but I'm stuck between which resources I'm gonna use, because there's also this, and I know that like not everyone's like nerdy like me. But true. But this right here also has the same stuff as this, but it's more nerdy, and I don't have any restrictions on how much I pull from this. It's just like a regular, like, I pull something from somewhere and that's just what it is. And this allows me to pull an entire chapter. This right here, it says that Uh-oh. It says that I'm able to pull certain passages versus sections, and I'm wondering if these sections are already predetermined of, you know, what they want or what is the best verse to pull from. I'm gonna try this out and see how it. Wait, let me look at it. I have many verses. Cool, I already know what that is. Now, I would have. Now, sections. Capture a list of sections. Oh no, that seemed a lot. Like a lot. This is what this could mean. Or this is what this would be. But then at that point, I would probably, I'll be honest, I'll rely on y'all. Because I don't know what this is. I'm assuming that this is like Matthew or something. I don't know what this is. So I would be relying on y'all to tell me what what common passages are, what the right passages are. Because then I'm thinking like the development side. I would have to have a predetermined like section of these passages to choose from every day. And I don't have that knowledge already like in me. You know what I'm saying? But if I like chose an entire chapter, then I will be able to learn on my way, you know, this is like Matthew 12 through 20. You know what I'm saying? Because then someone like me that's coming like straight like, can't you have it randomly select verses? Yes, but those verses could simply just be, let me show you. Let's try King James Version. If y'all cool with that. Let's just try something random. Never heard of this before. I don't know what this says. Boom. This could just be the verse of the day, and I don't know what this means or how to decipher it. Really? I think me personally, I would be in the 1% of people that's like, okay, this is kind of meaningless to me because I'm not gaining anything from it. I'm just like getting like a sentence. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm not getting the full picture of how I can apply this to my life or what the parable is. That's wild to me. That's good. But like, for me, I see it as like a book and I want to read it from like front to back. And I understand that's not the right way to do stuff, but like, I want to read it front to back. So if I don't have context of who Matthew is, I'm lost. I don't understand his place in the story, like in the history books. So like, if I don't know who Matthew is, I'm not going to the Matthew section or the Matthew book. Sometimes the stuff you have heard over and over never means anything. I'm saying, okay, y'all are the different side of Texas from me. Y'all like, get it. I don't. You can read it front to back, but each book within the Bible doesn't necessarily follow consecutively. Yeah. Like, I know that Psalms is just like basically a book of like songs and hymns. That's pretty much all I know about the Bible. That like Psalms is like a collection of like songs. That's it. And like Genesis is the first book. And that's it. That's the standpoint that I'm talking from. Someone that's interested in learning the Bible, but okay, wait. Now that we're here, I don't know if this is like big enough. Let me try to make this a little bit bigger, or I don't know if y'all can see this. Let's try this. Let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna call for y'all's help. What does this mean? On first glance, what's the context of this? Like what? I don't even know how to pronounce this. Nehemiah? I don't want to mispronounce Nehemiah. Nehemiah. Okay. Thank you. Listen, I want to be respectful, because if it was just me in here, I would have said Kamehameha. But you know what I'm saying? Now that I don't know who this is, or who I've heard of this before, I think. I don't know who these people are. Sent unto me, saying, "Come, let's meet together in some." Okay. See, I don't know this prophet. Let us meet together in some one of the villages in the plain of On. Is this a real place? Okay, wait, I'm getting distracted. But they thought to do me mischief. Who's they? In his part is in his immediate historical setting. Okay. So this is a real person, or is this like a New Testament kind of thing? Nehemiah, sizzle. Nehemiah. I don't know if you can see this. It's a little small, but Nehemiah. I don't know. Morrow said that works. I don't know if that works. My pronunciation is horrible. I can choose another verse. In part can sometimes be a future prophecy. See, like you said, this can be interpreted or have two different contexts. But keep in mind, I'm using AI to like summarize it for like the average person, and I don't know if AI can do this. So I think AI has a better chance to summarize it as a parable, taking from the entire chapter. and having more context of what the chapter is talking about, rather than like, okay, let me choose another one. Jude. I think this is a popular one. This only has one chapter? What? Is this wrong? Am I tripping? Wait. It doesn't make as much sense in like English and it does in like original Hebrew. Dang. This is hard. Okay, let me choose this one. You see what I'm talking about? If I just choose a random verse like this, and if some have compassion, make a difference. Like the word in Hebrew doesn't just mean word, it means like existence or matter. Words actually have meaning. Dang, so you saying that English is trash? That's what you're saying? Huh? Huh? Alright. Remember, you're from Texas now, so hey, watch yourself. Watch yourself. Okay. All right. Word of God. Hey, word of God. Now, what can I do with this though? Like, if I have AI summarize this, what can I really do with this? And how can someone that is coming from no religious background make any sense of this? Like, okay, if I took the entire verse, I don't know what this verse, or the entire chapter, I don't know what this chapter is about. Matter of fact, this is what I can do. I can do this. What? I'm gonna use Gemini for this. What? Let me bring it over here so y'all can see it. Is a brief letter in the New Testament. Oh, it's New Testament? Okay. On two main themes. About false teachers, encouragement to contend for the faith. Morrow, you're a genius. I never thought about that before. You're a genius. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Yeah. That basically solved what I was just thinking about. Okay, fine. I'm gonna write that down. Verse of the day. Let me see what all this does again. Bibles. Specific versions of Bibles. books. So then I can have like a chain of like, okay, this is the verse of the day, but then it can send up to be like, all right, this is the chapter, and then it can send up again and be like, hey, this is the book. Okay. 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 We have a solution. Thanks tomorrow. I wish I had like a soundboard or something, like a celebration or a clap or something like that, but thank you, Morrow, for real. Thank you. I wish this YouTube stuff would work. Actually, I do with the advent of this. What I can do is I can like search one of these. I can use my key and have one of these or multiple of these. I can have like King James version. I can have like the NIV. I can have American and stuff like that. Let me bring it up. A physical. Oh. Sorry. No. Please don't take my Texas card. I'm sorry. No, I don't keep one in the house. I'm sorry. Let me pull up this link, Sizzle. Here we go. Oh, snap. This is fire. With the animations and everything? Hey, chicken. How you doing? How you doing? Dang. That would be fire. You know... What technology are you going to use? I'm assuming next. Maybe back end on this? Oh. Just React. You heard React is getting or has already gotten an update, right? I don't know if it's came or if it's already come or if it's going to come, but 19. I don't know if they're like reworking all of like context and stuff like that, but I'm interested in what they're doing. I'm doing all right. Chicken. We're blessed with Morrow's wisdom and problem solving skills by giving us a solution on verse of the day, because I was faced with the problem of having like a random verse being spat out daily, and sometimes the verse not make sense, but I can add a read more button that shows the entire chapter for the reader, so I can do that. But also, wait, I was answering. Oh wait, I had already answered it on having multiple versions. I can have multiple versions, like right here. I think I saw one of these, like this. This is the verse of the day on one of the websites that I had looked at and compared what I wanted to build against, and it said this is the NIV version, this is the King James version, this is the English Standard version. This is stuff like that, and it's different, but it gives people like more context of like what the word can be. same thing. From like a, you will also benefit from like a reference feature on your Bible. Like if you wanted to add scriptures for dealing with anxiety, have them verses that pertain to that. With stuff like that, y'all gotta help me because like I don't know which verses pertain to anxiety, holding strong in your faith and stuff like that. Thing is, I can Google it, but I want to get it wrong. Facts. But I want to learn. How can you shame me if I want to learn, Sizzle? You can't shame me for that. I'm just being inquisitive. Yo, in building this and I don't know the Bible, I can mess some stuff up. I have some people mad. Oh my God. Oh. I'll have like a anxiety section. And I'll have like just random verses in there. Oh, I'm trying to help. But hey, it's free, so you can't complain. Hey, you can't complain. It's free. Let me reload this. Let me try to reload this. Uh-oh. It's gone. Huh? I have messed up majorly. Hold up. Give me a second. If I refresh it again. Yeah, I know. I messed up. Let me go to the thing. Wait, you type something. Alexis, you type something. Oh, it's still not doing it. What is this? Oh, in me refreshing it? Okay, that makes sense. In me refreshing it, it still needs to connect with what YouTube is saying. What the heck? Give me 5 minutes. And I should have this fixed. Espanol? This is all messed up. There we go. Oh, it updated. Still nothing. Hold up. Oh well. It is what it is. And hopefully... Maybe. Maybe it is. Interact. No. Okay. Let's pray that that one works. Alright. Now it should try to work now, but going back to this, now that I have this done, I have decided to change the color. I'm going with green. I'm not doing blue anymore. I'm going with green. Like a pastel kind of green. Like a Palm Sunday kind of green. No. This. I want to take one of these. It's not gone. It's not gone. But what I can do... Oh, because no one's saying anything. Hey. Now, I can... This is a forest green. I'm not going to use this forest green stuff. This is a good throw-up green. Okay, that's okay. This is a good throw-up green. This is an even darker throw-up green. Let me know when you're over there. If y'all had to choose one, which one would y'all choose? Because I also have... Okay, cool. This seems a little bit too dark. But I want this to also be like the background. So I guess... Here's what I can do. I want to pull this from over here. Not the power generator, but this. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to make this right here 45-degree angle. I can make this white. Oh. Oh. I guess not. But what I can do... She's a little bit too harsh. This is what I can do. I can have this right here. and just make this. Yeah, this is smoother. Is that too dark to have as a background? This looks like mud. Not mud, but like dirt. Here. Now that's yellow. If I push it over to be a little bit more green. This right here. Huh? This looks a little bit brighter. I don't know if I'm in love with it or not. But I would essentially have the same, like, looking... Yeah. Actually? See, okay. I'm conflicted. Because chicken... Can I set up a poll? Hold up. Let me set up a poll. Here's what I can do. I'm gonna have y'all vote. Did it show up? I don't know if it showed up or not. Uh-oh. It didn't. Did it? Oh, y'all will have to... I don't think it's available on mobile. Okay. You see it? Under poll. What do you see under poll? Because you're on mobile. How do you see that? I see an extension. Like if you hover over... Don't vote on that. That's what I'm going to do. The other one. See, I don't even see the results from this one. I'm just gonna take this off of my channel. I don't like it. Here we go. Oh, maybe that's why the YouTube doesn't work. Dang! That sucks. I lost a subscriber. Oh no. On YouTube. Thank you, thank you. So I should go back. Fine. Okay, I'm seeing a unanimous, hey, this sucks. Or this second one sucks. So. I thought I was cooking. Okay, I'm gonna go back. But what should, okay, I should make it darker? This darker one makes it feel like depressing. Man. I don't like that. It's just a little bit too green, though. Or what if I could do it on here? No. It would have to be over here. Or I have it be the lighter one. This one seems like it should be the one. No? Or should I just go with like an entirely different color? I shouldn't go with green. This is my Firefox paper. What's Firefox paper? Oh, wallpaper? So I'm guessing that's a vote yes. But if this doesn't work, I may go to a completely different color. Because I associate, like the Bible. Okay, Mr. Chicken, do you have another suggestion on a color besides green? Also, Maro, do you have a different color suggestion? It is the color with the ring verse. Wait, I need Google to figure that one out for me. I'm so confused. I wish I understood. Cause all I see is handwriting whenever I Google this. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Ooh. How about that? See, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to incorporate like a gold kind of like accent color. And I think the gold really like makes, or I think this background would make a gold pop. Maybe I can like make this a little bit like dark, like make this light version less and the dark version more in order for the gold to pop. But still, the text boxes and everything else, they would be in like a white background kind of thing. This is awesome. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stick with this one for now. I'm gonna take these colors, save them. I'm gonna save them. Wait. How can I edit this color? Oh. Sorry. Or I can just have this be darker. There we go. I'm gonna take this one, put it right here. I'm gonna put all these hex codes in an opt-out document just so I can have them saved. And ooh, I really like this palette. I kind of stumbled upon this palette. I like this. I think a sage green with gold accents would be nice. Sorry, I had to stop intent for work for a minute. Hopefully, it's not stressing you out. Hopefully, it's not stressing you out. This is a pea yellow. This isn't a gold. This is horrible. I want it to be like royal. I want it not. I don't want this to be pastel. I'm sorry. Hang in there. Hang in there. Just. I'm not gonna say how long, but I want metallic. How do I? Oops. How do I? Mustard. Ooh. It said gold. Give me a second. This doesn't pop in the way that I would like it to, though. It just looks more and more rotten the more right there, the further that I go to the right. Oh, gold. It's too much. I think this would be the one. Something like this would be the one. Ivory. I wouldn't want like white. I would want something like this. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, I have the women's opinion. Mr. Chicken, any thoughts? Any thoughts? Sizzle, any thoughts? If you're still here, I have the female perspective. I have their approval now. That's one thing that I I can't put myself in that mind frame. So if I'm good on their page, then I'm doing something right. I need the fella's opinion on this one now. See, dudes don't care about color. That's what I'm saying. Dudes don't care. They just care if it works. Oh, me personally, I suck at design too, but yeah. Let me put all these in an opt-out document. How much can I? You know what? There we go. Hey, if it works, that's good. Oh, this is right here. This. Have the hashtags in front of it. I mean, what else needs to be added? Like, honestly, what else needs to be added? Nothing, in my opinion. It's functional. Matter of fact, since we're here, go ahead and link it. Go ahead and link it if you aren't scared. Go ahead. Go ahead. Listen, I like anything that you do, but let's see if Morrow and Alexis. Wait. Let me pull it up. All right, ladies, thoughts? It's functional. I like it. It's straight to the point. Hey, this right here, straight to the point. Straight to the point. Straight to the point. Hey, it gives me everything I need at a quick glance. I like it. See? And he's repping. He's representing. See that flag? At the tippity top. Humor also. Humor. See, it has all the elements. You don't need all these fancy animations and all this stuff. You don't need all that. Quite a portfolio. But thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Now, I have all of these, so I should be good on the UI part. Now is the nerdy part. And I'm sorry, but it's probably going to get a little bit nerdy, even though for like Mr. Chicken is not going to get like nerdy for us. But I'm gonna be figuring out how. First off, I'm not gonna wait. This is what I need to do. Download this as an image. Where is this? Put this right here. Ew. Cool. No rounded corners, no shadow. Have it be the same. Hey, they gotta make their money somehow. Gotta make that money somehow. Oh. Because this is 16 by 9. So what I can do this, right? Well, this blue is just like a blanket blue, like a placeholder kind of blue. The other blue that I had yesterday was a gradient, and I think it looked better than the green. My personal opinion, it looked better than the green. But I looked at my portfolio, and it is so like blue. I need to change this up. I'm too like invested in the blue ecosystem. I need to change something up. Also, I wish I could use hexes for this. Oh, awesome. I randomly stumbled upon that. This is the ivory. Oh, snap. Okay. Alright. Now that I have this, I also need a header. And in this header, I don't have a name for what the app is gonna be. We could have a placeholder. Facts. Is that a spec? Oh, because I have rounded corners. Cool. Here we go. And this text color. Well, let's go with Bible app, because I think like 3 words would be a little bit lengthy. What size would this be? 36. Bold. Let's add some pizzazz to it. Try this. Okay. Do y'all have any other suggestion rather than like a black color? Not the hands. I'm not talking about the hands. Like a black, like a black text color. Actually, I could have a gradient on this. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think I'm kind of stuck with the black, but if I do this, but Could I? Ooh. I'm gonna send this to the back. You know what? I'm just gonna have this. Yeah. But could you tell the difference if it's charcoal or dark gray compared to like a black? Because I would like it to be like a smoky black, a charcoal, or something like that. But I have a hard time, me personally, seeing the difference. Let's try. Oh, here we go. Eerie. Ooh. Night. Oh, wait. Where did browns come from? What did that say? Licorice. Black bean. Oh, this is what I can do. What if I do this? Can I duplicate this? I can't. But what I can do is this. Take these shades. Smoky black. No. No. I'm gonna try this. I have no intentions of this. Oh no, I have no like expectations of this working. I don't think it's gonna work. I'm gonna apply it to here because this black seems a little bit boring to me. Also, it could be spruced up with like some font, but the color of it kind of seems boring to me. Even though I am a sucker for Tahoma. Tahoma. Bold. That's not gonna be it. Well. Oh, I haven't applied. Hold on. To me, I see a big difference in Tahoma from the default font family. I see a big difference, and I like this one. It looks a little bit more presentable. Like, I like it. Thoughts? Thoughts? Hear me out. With a different font, not Tahoma, but with a different font, this could be something. This could be. I'm tempted to go lighter. I didn't know that this light would be this good. You don't? Let's try it, because I wasn't anticipating this being a good color. Not that big. Without thanks. Thanks. I'm trying to make the right colors right now. In the like not in the final well, yeah, in the final version, but like once I take it to like the actual browser, I'm not going to have this emoji. I'm going to have what is that even called? A cross SVG. And that cross SVG is probably going to be a brown. And I think this brown complements all of these earth tones. This green, this light green, this ivory, and also this gold. I think all of this meshes together. And it seems presentable. It seems cohesive. I like it. I like it. Good work, team. Good work. Good work. Thank y'all. I'm changing this back though. But I just can't see it brown. It looks black to me. Are you behind? Wait. It isn't brown necessarily. It's like a green. Yeah. I bet you do. All right. So now that we have this solved, it looks like in between brown and this green. And I don't know if I should like go fully into the green. You know what? Let's just see it. Couldn't hurt to try. No. My bad. My bad. I don't like it. The light green? Let's try it. Because it's on a light background. Nah. It was worth a try though. I think all that's missing from here is it needs a different font. I can go a step higher though. I just keep on going lighter and lighter. Because I can still go lighter. To make it pop a little more. This may be the max of how light it can be. Because now... Nope. Compared... Wait. That's it. It was the in between the darker one in the lighter one. I think this is it. All it needs now is just a different font. I have to find a different font. Now, you didn't? It's subtle to me, but it's a shade. It's a shade. Let me show you. In between this one and this one, I was teetering in between these two, and I settled on this. I like this one, personally. Oh, really? Oh. Sorry. It was between this one and this one. And I chose this one because, like, I think it's just the best of both worlds. It isn't too light and it isn't too dark, and it also makes it pop. So I'm gonna add this hex code as well to the thing. Copy the hex. Text color. What is this? Can I come back now? Am I allowed back? Or am I just too ugly for TV? Okay, never mind. Hold up. I'm coming back. All right. Oh, snap. Am I lagging for y'all? Is it choppy? Let me know if it ever does get choppy or blurry or anything else. Well, run over. Good. No. Notification color. Thank you. Hopefully it's the same way on YouTube, because I think YouTube takes more bandwidth than Twitch does. Twitch normally runs smooth, but yeah. What should I call this? Not background. This is main background color. Hopefully that works. Okay. We're making some headway. This is good. It's good. Now is where I just start stealing stuff. All right. So I pulled these websites up from earlier, and I'm going to explain what I like from each of these. I like basically all of this. I like the presentation of it. I like all of these not extensions, but links to other forms of getting the word. I like this. This can just be like a newsletter. Like sign up to get emailed every day. For that, like a subscribe right here. I'm going to figure out how I can do this to share, because like the Christian community loves to share like Bible verses and stuff. I think that's a good feature to add. Like, you can tweet it, you can share it on Facebook, stuff like that. I could possibly add like a thread share if people use threads and stuff. So, this is a section I can add right here. Wait. How do I do this though? Is it a square? Nope, these are rounded. I'm gonna have to make multiples of these. Boom. Oh. Now, the text color in here. Oh, it does? Like the... share button. Is it this? Here's what I can do. Let me put it in the Optinode document. The more and more I build applications is the more and more I like using my my app. And once I finish, wait, I got the subscriber back. Look at this. I was at 59 when I had opened up Studio like 10 minutes ago. I was at 59. Now I'm back at 60. Something's off. But the more that I use my Optinode, I love it more and more. And that's why I'm kind of branching out to using Angular, so I'm not just like so rooted in like the React ecosystem and just like dependent on it. So I can be like multifaceted. And I think that's what like jobs use also. So yeah, and hopefully I can come back to one of my friends and be like, hey, I know how to use React now. I've built a React app, like a fully fledged functional live React app. So yeah. He tried to teach me. What he was doing was widgetry at the time, but I want to come back, show him my work and stuff. So yeah, cool dude. Yeah, because React really is a powerful tool, especially for personal projects, like solo projects that aren't that big in scope. But now, as I've like grown as a developer, I want to build more and more like fully fledged apps. True. But I want to like build like fully fledged apps now, like more mature apps instead of like one-off type of stuff. Things that I use on a daily basis, and things that other people can use on a daily basis. And these two things are gonna be my pillars of like my Angular app and my React app, instead of my whole portfolio just being React. And what if like a company wants a React dev, or not a React dev, an Angular dev? I can show them an Angular app, and I can show them a React app. It's things I want. Yeah. Because there's only so many like small side projects, like calculators and like to-do lists and stuff like that you can build that don't really amount to anything, and like they don't really have much lasting power. Yeah. My thing is building stuff that a recruiter can see that, oh, this actually took time to build and it's also still in usage. So this person knows what production code looks like, how to handle a repo, how to maintain code, how to fully see it through for its entire lifespan. And he did it like by himself. Like I want to speak to that kind of developer that I am. So yeah, know how to make their own things, not follow a guide on how to. Yeah. Cause I'm pretty sure there's like multiple like videos on like how to make a React or how to make a Bible app on YouTube, but I want to make my own, and I want to make it unique. Where would I put this link at though? This would be under UI, I guess. Already did this. I can get rid of that. And I can get rid of that. I can make this bold. I can make this bold. Facebook share. Facebook share API? This is an API, I don't think. Facebook share. You know what? I'll cross this bridge when I get to it. There we go. There we go. What just happened? Huh? Hold up. What did my stuff just say? This is where I go back to this. For some reason, hold up. This is what I'm gonna do. This is the power of YouTube live streaming. Because if this was on Twitch, I would have been cooked. Now, I can do this in real time, thankfully. I probably shouldn't make it that big. Yeah. That's the messed up thing about having my own like editor. It's like it's not a one-to-one like a Google Doc kind of editor, unfortunately. In here, oh wow, I let go of a lot of stuff. This list. Give me a second. My bad. The thing is, I did push control or on mine because I use a Mac Command Z. But the thing is, on editor JS, Control Z doesn't work if it isn't in an existing block. For example, if I'm already editing in this, I can do Control Z. But for example, because this block went away, Control Z does nothing. Because I'm not in a block that was recently edited. I know. That's my main thing of why I need to delve more into Editor.js, because I think this is a fixable thing, but out of the box it isn't. And I think I need to research how to fix this, cuz this is absurd. Cuz cases like this, if a user didn't have like a backup, like something like this, they will be out of luck. I need to fix this or find a solution. Maybe change technologies or something. Build my own something. Oh, snap. I don't have that link anymore. This link right here, I don't have it anymore. Well, I can go here and I suppose I can go there. Ooh, I got scared. I thought I was playing double audio. Ooh, I got scared. Okay. I have to figure out which one suits me the best. Nope. No, I need the code. I forgot which one it was. API keys. See, all this stuff is useful. I'm just gonna do this because I'll be all up in this documentation. So I'm just gonna link the cloud functions. Because that's what I thought I did. I just thought I pressed enter and that was it, but apparently not. Init Firebase and include cloud functions. Oh, I have it right here. Now, whenever it comes to the UI, I am looking forward to modifying Editor.js some more. It just takes some work. I can take this.
Thankfully that works. Oh. Sorry, y'all. I'm almost there. I need to preserve this. And the link to that. So yeah. Also, on this topic, I have this right here, but I saw. Let me zoom out of that. Let me reset zoom. I saw that, like, the summarization of this, I wouldn't be using a Gemini extension. I will be using a Palm API extension in Firebase, and let me see if I can show it to y'all. Fundamentals. It would be this. That's all it would be. I'm gonna try to use this, but we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully, it isn't too taxing or too hard to use. But yeah, I can close all this out. I can hopefully save this, and it saves. I'm gonna bring this back over here. Sorry. Coming back. But how much do they cost? Hey Pixel. Hey Pixel. Hope you're doing well. How you doing? I'm making some really good progress thanks to everyone that has helped me build this. I made some some advancements in the UI. Also what I'm going to do about verses of the day and stuff like that. So, yeah. Also, just FYI, I'm going to be using Angular for this project for the front end. I'm going to try to use Angular because I looked at my portfolio and all my stuff is like React, and I want to switch it up a little bit. So it depends on how many writes. Oh, yeah. It's based on how many requests, how long, how much usage, how much outbound network. Thanks for the good luck. I'm going to need it.
Because the time that I used Angular, it was hard. My camera's all messed up, my bad. Yeah, it's widely used in the professional sense. Go back to React, my home. I don't think that I would be making too many requests though. It's not gonna be a huge like app. I hope it's not going to be all that expensive. Think about who you're talking to. If done right, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, this app's going to cost $1 million. And there are other companies that use Vue, and a lot of them are migrating to Svelte or Astro. See, companies that use Vue, those are like really like advanced companies that use like the latest technology. Angular and React companies, I feel like those are kind of not dinosaurs, but they are kind of set in their ways already, and they like their tech stack. Like their team likes that tech stack, all that stuff. Yes, but it is like React is number one. Angular is like well, they're interchangeable. Angular and React are like 1 and 2, and then Vue is like the third place. Vue isn't new, but I feel like Vue is used by companies that want the latest technology, if that makes sense. That use Tailwind, that use like Vercel products and stuff. Oh, really? Cause I don't see that many Vue job listings, but on the Vue job listings that I see, they have like some of the latest technologies like Svelte, Tailwind, and stuff like that. Oh, it's a really smart move. I have my bright spots. I have my bright moments. Even though I'm plat 3 in TFT, I'm not completely stupid. Debatable. Now that I have this, I'm gonna make this white. F. Why is it not F? Are teaching the MERN stack, so there are loads of React developers around. Yeah, I thought about it from that angle as well. Where's all this stuff going? But not many teach Angular, and thus there are not enough good Angular devs. Hey man, I'll be honest. I'm building this app, but by no means by the end of this am I gonna be a good Angular dev. I'm telling you, by the end of this, I'm gonna hate Angular. I'm gonna be like, I want nothing to do with Angular. Because I've already had like a little bit of experience and exposure to it. And what I saw, I didn't like it. Basically, okay. You know how people like Python, but for people's first programming course in college, their first programming course is Java. Most people like Python, but also most people hate Java. I feel like Angular is Java, and React is Python. Hey, I'm right there with you. That's what I'm saying. That's what makes it a perfect analogy. Some people only learn React. Most people only learn React. Also, me and Chicken were talking about this earlier. Wait, I think it was me and Chicken, but we had talked about not talked about it, but mentioned that React 19 is coming out. I don't know if it's already out or if it's coming out, but I'm excited to see what's all in there. I saw like some used context stuff that was being deprecated, and some like memoization that's going to be a thing of the past. I just watched a fire shit video, so I don't know if I have all the details or not, but I'm really excited for what it could be. And in the meantime, I'm going to be building an Angular project to see where the dust settles on how people feel about React 19. I used to be a Java dev, and now I'm a Node.js. I feel like, okay, to Pixel's point, or to add on to that, I feel like if you have a solid foundation of Java, then it makes it a lot easier to move on to other programming languages and have a better understanding of them. Because if you start with like JavaScript, it makes it, you can learn other programming languages, but it kind of makes it harder. I love C. I love C and C++. I love those. Yeah. See, I learned C from the start. I loved C. For what I built with C, I loved it. Like, it reminds me of like what programming really is. Like problem solving with like a small toolbox of stuff. Yeah. Oh, that's why. I need to make this small. Oh, snap. Okay. Okay. Let's not talk about Pixel. Let's go. Let's go. You don't have to divulge where it is though, but I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Lua. Oh, snap. Oh, let's go. Python, ventured into Java in C#, tried C++, and now settled on Go, C#, JS as my primary languages. Okay, to go to back up to Mr. Chicken's point that I didn't get to. I agree with you on the whole indentation thing. But more importantly, it's a brackets thing for me. I don't like that whole lack of bracket stuff. Add brackets. That's my main gripe. Have brackets. Hey. With C#, then Java, Python. But TypeScript is JavaScript. Yep. That's JavaScript with a linter. I don't think that's unpopular. I don't like TypeScript either. I don't like those extra steps just for the sake of adding extra steps. I don't like that. That's me personally. With that being said, I'm going into Angular. I know. But it's something to learn. There's something to learn. But I don't think that's unpopular. Chicken. Hey. It is? I feel like JavaScript gets so much hate, but because JavaScript gets so much hate, TypeScript gets just as much, not just as much hate because it kind of fixes some stuff, but it's still JavaScript at the end of the day. As a dev lead for my team, what I am. Hey, budget cuts. So I think the best thing is to start throwing some applications out there. Cause if they aren't gonna like bump you up, I mean, you can already put that you have experience as a dev lead because you're basically a dev lead. So, yeah. Ooh. I could have. What's funny? Yeah. Hopefully I can find some in Texas, but because everything is coming to Texas. Said I cannot skip positions just because I joined a graduate program, but I am a lead. But I'm the what? How you wait? Huh? What kind of sense does that make? How are you leading people that are higher up than you? That makes no sense. They gotta cut the check. They gotta come on with it. Subscribe. I don't think I'm gonna have. Create and assign tickets to different people. Even teach them sometimes, and when they need something, they always ask me. But I'm the one getting paid the least. Yeah. I didn't know tech companies did that as well. I thought that was just the rinky-dink companies that I work for in the past. I didn't know tech companies did that as well. That's ridiculous. Yeah. Yeah. But at least you're getting experience in the industry. At least there's that. Because in the position that you're in, you already are gaining experience as a higher up developer. So then you could take that experience and like crush an interview. Whenever you interview for another bigger company, you can crush an interview because thoroughly learning the technologies, like practically using it, stuff like that. So, and I'm already speaking into existence. You already moved on from this company. You already got the job, and they reached out to you. Yeah, you're on your way, man. You're on your way. Is the lead of engineering. Dang. Oh. I mean, it wouldn't hurt to try. It wouldn't hurt to try. Who knows? You could get into the interview and like ace it. What else am I gonna put here? I could put the share. True. Hey, if it doesn't work out, it just doesn't work out. I mean, the main thing is, okay, say for example, if you do fail it, let's think about this, like not like in a nerdy sense. If you do fail it, is to not I'm saying this because it's already like implied. But the main thing is because he offered you an interview, don't go into the interview like cussing people out. Don't go into the interview just like making an embarrassment of him. But if you fail it, it is kind of like, all right, just try again the next time the portal opens. Because think about it like this. The position is open now. What if one of you moves away? Now that opportunity kind of like goes away. You know what I'm saying? Like as long as you're not... Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Well, I'll see you later. My man just hit the lottery live on stream. You saw it here first. You saw it here first. Hold on. You see this right here? You see this? You see this right here? And this right here? Yeah. That's my man. That's my man Pixel. Yeah. Hey, Kenneth B. Coden, where dreams come true. You know what I'm saying? Nah, you're not gonna fail it. You're not gonna fail it. But also, do take your time, brush up on your DSAs and stuff. Yeah. What's the time limit? Do they give you like a time limit on when to take it? Ooh. Yeah. Like I said, take all the time that you need. If I don't see you for the next 13 days, I understand. I completely understand. Just don't be a stranger in the Discord. In the meantime, don't play too much TFT. Let's keep that very clear. Don't spend these 13 days just playing TFT, my brother. No, don't do that. Bad. I do like this UI of this. What programming language again? Oops. Huh? Oh. I'm about to say. It would be torture if you how can I say it? If they give this to you, but they don't tell you what programming language it's in until you open it. That would be torture. I don't even know if that's possible. Imagine if I had to do it with, I don't know, Scala. Ooh. Fortran. Haskell. Assembly. Oh my god. You know, what if they have you do this all in Python? I mean, you can do Python, but you hate it. So like I'll probably choose, yeah. And then again, I kind of feel like that's where everything is going anyways. Oh, snap. Yeah. Ooh, what if you get to choose Kotlin? You think you could pass a Kotlin one? Why go? Oh. Yeah. Because of familiarity and stuff? Yeah. This is good.
Sorry, hold up. Tahoma. One, I want this to be Tahoma. Jesus, 50 on top of what you're already being paid? My goodness. That would be a dream. Oh, I thought you were already at a software company. See, I wish I was like y'all. All software jobbed up and everything. I'm happy for y'all, though. Big Four. What does that mean? Oh, tell her I said hello. Enjoy your night, Morrow. What's the Big Four? I'm not familiar with that. Big Four. The only one I'm familiar with is Deloitte. Yeah, that's the only one I know of is Deloitte. I've never heard of these other ones. And even though I don't even know what Deloitte does. This one kind of looks familiar, but I thought this was a technology, not a company. I've never heard of these, though. A. Are they Canadian? Oh. I was like, are they Canadian? There we go. I think I can close this. I do, okay. Right here, I do like this. Let me turn this off. Let me turn this off a little bit.
Verse of the day for February 26th. It comes from James 2.
Okay, wait. Just for just to let y'all know, he does sound a little bit country, but this is just how people talk. But I think this is I listened to this earlier today, and I don't know if this is a real person or AI generated. But he basically says this.
As the body without the spirit is dead, so faith without deeds is dead. I'm full aware, and by this definition, I fear that many people claiming to be believers are really more spiritual corpses. For our faith to be genuine, James says it must.
Because of the like it sounds choppy. That's why I was like, this is AI generated. Hey, thanks for coming. Thanks for coming, Pixel. I may call it myself. I've made a lot of progress. I may call it. I still haven't even made the
The Angular stuff. Nah. See, that's the thing. It sounds so like human, but like my ear is just trained to hear the chops. Phil Ware could be a random person. Let's okay, hold up. Okay, I'll entertain it. Let me Google. What? Wait, what? Oh crap. But wait, I don't. I don't want to accept that this is a real person. I just want to live in an all AI world. Let's see. Wait, but maybe this is just an audiobook. Hold up. This is an audiobook. I'm convinced. This isn't him like talking. These are recordings. Because I can hear the chops. But yeah. My bad, dang. Listen, y'all just gave me credit for being smart. No, I mean like this was recorded like years ago. Of like an audiobook of all of like the passages that he wants to like have thoughts over, I think. Or it could be AI. I'm not giving up hope. But let me see if I can do this real quick. Oh, what did I just do? I guess I'll be doing this. Yes? I guess that would count as a newsletter. Because whoever subscribes to it would get these without having to go to the website. I guess that would count as a newsletter. Yeah. To answer your question, yes. I believe. It would? You know what? Hold up. Wait. But it's not gonna be big. And if it is big, here, hold up.
I think you know where I'm going. Hold up. Wait. Wait. $36, $24. I don't even know what the right word for this would be. This? Yeah, whatever. I think that would be it. Yeah. Actually, no. This would be straight red. And this would be that. And it would basically just be like a stream elements kind of thing. Like no pressure. But, you know. Because the two main things is like, okay, the cloud function to get the API. Well, no. Yeah, the cloud function to get the API stuff. The email. Dang. Dang, hold up. You're not wrong. Hold up. Why is everything so hard? And truth be told, I haven't even factored in like the domain name and all that stuff, so but hey, man, I'm making this to spread the word, so hopefully God got me. Hopefully God got me. Cause wait, does he have any yeah, he has this. But he's providing it for free. None of this is paid. And it's first on SEO. Cloud functions would be pretty cheap. AI thing, I don't know. Newsletter depends on amount of subscribers, and all that would get more expensive if it becomes bigger. But if it becomes more bigger, then I would have more whales. Well, are you familiar with the term whales? You're right. Well, you have more experience with cloud functions, with like it being pretty cheap. With this right here, I think this is a main driver, because the bigger that it gets, affiliate. You mean with all these ads? Affiliate. What other affiliate would? Oh, I see these as ads. That's what I see. Oh, they aren't like Amazon ads? Because if I refresh this page, yeah, these are Amazon like ads. Or are those two things like synonymous? Oh, okay. Affiliate means that you get a cut of every sale that comes through this link. An ad is just AdSense. Correct?
Okay. See? I'm not that slow. Come on, give me a chance. Have some faith. Also, that site is ran by a ministry. So then the ministry also funds it. Yeah. Dang. Well, looks like I'm gonna build a church. Forget all this programming stuff. I'm gonna build a church. Also, I'm gonna save this. This looks really cool. Hold up. But the verse thing. Where's this from? James 2. Hey chat. I can't see this. Now I'll make another one of these. Oh, this, I don't have the icons for it, but this will be a Facebook and this will be a Twitter. I don't think I would have any other social media things on here. Ooh. Also in here, I can do whatever what Morrow has suggested. Read the chapter. Sorry. Okay. And that could be a link. A link to reading the chapter. And at that point, once someone goes off of this page, then like the whole AI stuff and the whole like cloud function stuff. Actually, I still may use cloud functions just to like keep it all in the same thing, but I could just not use cloud functions. I'm gonna use cloud functions. Yeah, I'm gonna use cloud functions. Forget what I just said. But this is gonna go like to the overarching, like the chapter of it. And yeah. Now
now for summarization. And a prayer. I don't. I made AI generate a prayer. I'm gonna see what this looks like the billing of it looks like. And if I come back with like a $500 bill, this whole thing's getting shut down. Yeah. Let me try. Oh. Oh man. Why? Please. I just want plain text. Please. Thank you. I can cut down some of this. And then duplicate it. Okay. Anything else? Oh snap. Oh snap. Basically what they said earlier, he already does this. He's so much better than me. What's heart like? Wait a second. This searched the whole Bible for the word faith? Oh my goodness. Okay, what is all of these pictures? Oh my goodness. Let me also see all topics. Oh, this isn't fair. This isn't fair. I can't compete with this. Just one big query
and just have it saved. And then parse through it however much I want to, like, on my own. I mean, it is free use. I mean, but nah. This is gonna be like a secondary feature. What I really wanna like flesh out is just this homepage for now. But really, what I was also thinking of doing was having different things. Really, I was looking at trivia. Really, my main thing was like trying to gamify it for other people. It was trivia. And I guess just providing a Bible for people. Like, this looks pretty concise, not too cluttered. You know? So. Let me Google that. Does that exist already? They actually did it. Those madmen, they actually did it. I'm gonna try one round. I'm not gonna win. Okay, let's try it. Oh, the word can be found in John 4. That does nothing for me. Yup. People dedicate their entire lives to memorizing every word. Yes. Oh, it's not there. Oh. It's not serve. Let me just try a random word. Wait a second. No, please. I didn't look. But wait, I'm not looking at this. But wait. Hold on. Okay, fine. Hold on. Let me restart. But this links. Where is it? This links to this. So essentially, they've already figured out the functionality, and I can just add it to here. Not like steal their functionality, but like I know that it's possible to take one word from the Bible and give a hint by saying that the word can be found in a certain verse. what the word is. I'm gonna skip it, but it's a 5-letter word. Huh? This doesn't exist. This is wrong. I'm gonna try now, because there isn't a 5-letter word in here that matches. Is it life? It can't be life. Loves isn't in there. This game sucks. Is Loves even on this entire page? No. This game sucks. Boo. Boo. Oh, wait, hold up. It's in another version? Oh, that's not fair. That's not okay. Which one is it in? That was in NIV. This is stupid. Oh, New King James. And it's still not there. Dog, this game is going in the garbage. Okay, I already have that. I'm also considering... Oh, this also got axed. Oh, no, it didn't. I can safely close this out. In here, I should also have a little disclaimer or something. Or, hold up. Not a disclaimer. Change this to like 10. 12, because people are old. Let's see, NIV. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think this is pretty much solved. Shaken, if you have any suggestions, let me know. Okay. Well. But, what else do I have on here? I can safely delete that. What else do I have on here? Let me
wrap this up by saying, I'm gonna start crediting y'all in these documents. Who all was in here during that? Was Pixel in here during that? I don't think he was in here doing that. Oh. Sorry. Mr. Chicken. Who clipped me? What? What did I say? What did I do wrong? Oh well. It's probably gonna show after I finish this up. But somewhere I got clipped. Let me cycle through. Sizzle. And I think that's it. Also, figured out okay. I think that's it. Yeah. That's it. I think that's it. What else did I figure out today? Nothing. I can delete that. But, thank you. Everyone left already, but thank you for joining. Same time, same place tomorrow. So, like I said, let me wrap this up. Thank y'all for watching. 5 p.m. CST, and I want to go ahead and start developing. So, thank you. I'm not gonna rate anybody, so yeah. But bye.